Hello, welcome to my channel, and this is another video on Cisco Packet Tracer. So in last video we have discussed about the topology, that what is the topology. Okay, so now this is the video in which I am going to discuss about our first topology is point-to-point topology. Okay, so this is the given definition. Point-to-point topology is a type of topology that work on the functionality of the sender and receiver. It is the simplest communication between two nodes in which one is the sender and another is a receiver. Point to point provides high bandwidth. So if you couldn't understood, let me describe you. Suppose these are two nodes. One is A and one is B. Suppose A is a sender. Let me put it. A is a sender and B is a receiver. Okay. If A want to send the data to B, then it will send data like something like this. This is the network, maybe this is the cable a between. Okay, so data packet gonna travel through this cable. And if B is a sender and A is a receiver, then packet will go to B to A. So this is how point-to-point topology work. Okay, so we are going to look at the implementation of point-to-point topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. So we have opened Cisco Packet Tracer, and now we have to choose two PC. So first we are going to choose PC0, then we are going to choose PC1. Suppose let me put the name of this PCA and this is the PCB. Okay. So as I already told you, it is connected with some wire. Let's take this and this will automatically fetch which cable is going to use to connect these two computers. Okay, as I told you, topology is nothing but it is the arrangement of computer inside the network. So these what does it mean? It mean is these are two computer inside a particular network. Okay, so I'm trying to put that this is the network which consists two computers. Okay, this is the network. So if it is the network, then it makes sense that the computer must have their own IP address. So what we are going to do, click on the computer, then go to desktop in IP configuration. Now I'm going to put the IP address. So let's say I'm going to put 192.168.10.2. This is the class C IP address. And if you click on the subnet mask, it is automatically gonna fetch it. And this is static. Okay. So its IP address, let me put it down here. This is 192.168.10.2. I hope this was our IP address. And for this, I'm going to put 192.168.10. And if it is 2, then it is going to be maybe 3. So let's check again. Is it 192.168.10? Yeah, it is 192.168.10. So 192.168 and 10 is the our subnet, and this is 2. 2 is the host number. Okay, so this is 2. Its address is 192.168.10.2, and this is 192.168.10.3. So let me put the IP address of this computer as well. Suppose if I am putting it 192.168.10. It is 3. If I click on subnet mask, it's gonna automatically fetch. Now we are done. Now what we are going to do, if we send a packet from PCA to PCB. So see the status down below, it is showing successful. Let's run it in simulation. And if I want to send a packet from PCA to B, see it is already assigned. The source is PCA and PCB, it is showing in progress. And if I choose another PCB to PCA. Then you can say another is added. The source is PCB and destination is PCA. Okay. So if I run it, right now it is showing in progress. After being successful, it is going to give the status successful. Let's see. Okay, now they had sent the data packets. Now they are sending back the message that we get the data packet. Okay, now you can see it is showing successful. So this was the point-to-point topology. Okay, I hope you got the understanding. If you have any doubt, just let me know. I'm gonna clear your doubt. Okay, so this was for it. This video. In next video, I'm going to discuss about the ring topology. Okay, thank you for watching.